Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is the day 2 of our 30 days English challenge. Today, I want to take a walk with you and talk about something which is incredibly important, something that is absolute foundation of learning this language. The power of listening. I'm repeating again, the power of listening. We all know how vital listening is in our lives, but we often forget that without it, speaking English is simply not possible. Okay, think it this way. If speaking is the output but listening is the input. To understand how crucial is this in our life, let's look at the native speakers and how children's learn. Children doesn't automatically start talking, and they certainly don't start by studying grammar rules. Instead, they learn entirely through immersion. By this, what I meant here, they spend months and years just listening to their parents and the people around them. By absorbing the sounds and accent and the words from their environment, they naturally become aware about the language and they become fluent in their mother tongue. Now, over the course of this challenge, the method I have shared with you might or might not be the only right way for everyone, but I am simply sharing the path which actually has helped me to learn this language. I am still sharing my personal experience that has truly helped me, and I'm being completely honest with you. I'm still learner myself. I still uh, actively trying to master this language, and I believe I still need some more time to fully get it there. But because I am on this journey with you too, so now I believe that sharing the real experience that I have been past, which will definitely help you to make valuable changes in your life. I just want to deliver the personal experience and hoping that will guide you, since most of us they don't live in English environment, and neither do I. So what we have to do, we have to create it for ourselves. So how we can do that? We can start by tapping into hundreds of podcasts, talk shows and interview shows available right there on the YouTube. Hundred of English contents are there on YouTube, which is exactly what I listen on daily basis. But don't limit yourself to just do that. You can even watch English movies with subtitles on. You can even listen English movies, music and everything. If you want to challenge your brain even more, then you can dive into stories like audiobook narrative podcasts where voice actors speak clearly with the great emotions. You can even watch LED talks to expose yourself to different accents from all over the world, or simply listen to an English news for just for 5 minutes while making tea or doing household chores. Okay, or anything if you are busy, which is not taking asking for much attention of yours, then you can watch English movies or listen the podcast. That the key is my I just want to make you feel uh, to surround yourself with this language as much as possible. But listening just isn't about the media. It plays a vital role when you are practicing communication with the real people. When you are talking to someone, make sure you are truly listening them whatever they are saying. If you realize they are using unique word or some different structure or sentence pattern you aren't familiar with, don't interrupt them right then. Instead, make a mind note of it and remind yourself to recall it later, and try to use it in your own conversation with some other people, and next time with the same person. Okay, just to make it fix in your mind. Okay, just to save in your mind, because if you listen it and you are not using it, you will forget sooner or later. That brings us today task, the practice we starting today. I have even told in my previous video, I am telling it again. The day, it's not gonna for day 1 day 2, or you are going to drop it few days later. We have to continue it until we became fluent, until we realize we became the perfect speaker. From today onward, you must add dedicated listening to your daily routine. Make it strict habit to listen to people, listen to podcasts,